Are you looking for the best resin 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best resin 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 LCD UV Resin 3D Printer. Photon Mono 2 using a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 x 2560, which can display the model's tiny details. The ultra-large scratch-resistant screen protector helps to prevent screen scratches and resin penetration. With up to 95% light transmittance, it can fully protect the LCD screen while ensuring printing accuracy. The upgraded light turbo matrix provides a stable and uniform parallel light source, thus effectively reducing the layer lines and eliminating grid lines. Therefore, Photon Mono 2 can make the model details more vivid and make the model surface delicate and smooth. The new version of the slicer has enhanced and upgraded core features such as slicing, punching, support adding, shells extracting, and model arrangement. It has a more straightforward slicing process and a new UI interface that is easy to operate. Photon Mono 2 adopts laser engraved platform. It has excellent flatness, which can increase model adhesion and greatly improve printing success rate. Laser engraved platform makes the model hard to drop and warp. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X6 LCD 3D Printer adopts a 9.1-inch 6K high-definition monochrome exposure screen with a resolution of up to 5760 x 3600 px. Bringing sharper and delicate details presentation supported by a high contrast ratio of 380:1. Comes with a high light transmittance anti-scratch film protector, effectively protecting the screen from wearing and scratches while ensuring printing accuracy. One free extra piece included for easy replacement. The upgraded ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source and high precision textured optical lens provide a stable and even parallel light source, effectively removing optical layers and grid lines and creating a smooth and delicate model surface. Printing speed reaches 15 to 60 mm per hour. Collect all your models even sooner. The stable dual linear Z-axis rail and its highly wear-resistant POM anti-backlash nuts restrain the Z-axis stability to the micron level, effectively eliminating printing layers and ensuring all printing details. The laser engraved technique that the printing platform adopts outstands sandblasting ones in platform flatness and adhesion, greatly reducing fall-offs and warping ups and bringing you an even better success rate. Number 3. GEEETECH ALKAID LCD 3D Printer. Compare with the color screen. Black and white screen has a higher light transmittance and a longer service life. What's more, 2K resolution greatly improve the printing accuracy, which make the X/Y accuracy can reach 0.05 mm. In order to improve the printing accuracy and quality, Z-axis of ALKAID adopts a high-cost linear rail which has high rigidity, high load, automatic self-aligning and absorb the assembly error, can effectively improve the overall printing quality of the 3D printer. The light source adopts 15 pieces highlight power quartz lamp beads, combined with the matrix lens which is made of the professional optical materials, can make the UV irradiation on the LCD screen more even and higher the intensity, hence effectively improve the printing speed and accuracy. The control panel of the printer adopts ergonomic design. Large tilt angle of the control panel enables the users to operate the machine more comfortable than the machines from other manufacturers. ALKAID innovatively integrates the UV lamp beads at the bottom aluminium substrate of the machine, which can enlarge the heat dissipation area. Combined with the cooling fan, the temperature of the lamp board can be reduced effectively and extend the service life of the UV lamp beads. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5 Resin 3D Printer. Photon Mono M5 is the first to feature a 10.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 11520 x 5120, with a horizontal pixel size of 19 meters, which can offer printing details as precise as a hair thickness. The contrast ratio is 480:1, making the model's edges clear and well defined. Using the laser engraving process for the printing platform allows the build plate to have a better flatness than the sandblasting platforms, which can effectively enhance the adhesion of the model, reduce the situation of the printing model falling off and warping, and greatly improve the printing success rate. Adopt a high stability and precision dual linear rails lead screw Z-axis, combined with a high wear-resistant palm clearance nut, to ensure the precise operation of the Z-axis micron level without shaking, effectively eliminating the layer grain and displaying the beauty of details. Popular sliced models/STLs available for you to experience 3D printing in just one touch. Task viewing ensures your printing process in control. The upgraded free self-developed slicer ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop 3.1 brings you an even better slicing experience in punching, supporting, shelling and layout arranging. Simplified UI makes slicing easier. The new model repairing function also helps boost the printing success rate. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro Resin 3D Printer. 0.1mm thickness testing pioneer, the next level high-speed printing experience and a gateway 3D printer to an era of ultra-high-speed printing. Breaking down the resin limitations. Experience high-speed printing under the testing condition at 0.1mm thickness. High-speed resin 2.0, 0.1mm layer height print time, 170mm per hour. The COB light source system, combined with Fresnel lenses and front-facing reflectors 3 degrees angle precisely controls each beam of light. Equipped with a light-off compensation algorithm, it can dynamically adjust the light-off time of the underscreen light source according to the exposure area of the printing model and the resin flow rate, ensuring that each layer of the model is successfully exposed and detached, improving the printing success rate.